Hi, Kristen here, and I'm going to show you how to clean a kegerator line without using CO2 or a hand pump. Typical home line cleaning kits are a hand pump that you have to pump the solution through, or some people will fill a keg, a homebrew keg, with cleaner and then push it through with CO2. However, the line cleaners require 5 to 10 minutes of contact time to be effective on your lines. So with the hand pump, you're either going to have to pump it through for 5 to 10 minutes, or you're going to have to fill a homebrew keg up with enough sanitizer to pump the solution through for 5 to 10 minutes, which is going to waste CO2 as well as cleaner. So I've come up with a simple pump system that only requires a few parts and only uses 1 gallon of line cleaner. And once you hook it up, it doesn't require any manual labor or CO2. For this line cleaning kit, you will need a submersible pump with a 1/2 inch fitting, 2 feet of 3/8 inch ID tubing, a couple of 1/2 inch clamps, a 1/2 inch keg tailpiece, a beer nut washer, an item called a duplex coupler, liquid line cleaner, and a pail. And if you're using homebrew kegs, you will need a ball lock to Sankey connector. And if you're using commercial kegs with the Sankey coupler, you will already have these pieces connected to your kegerator, and that is your beer nut and your tail that's connected to your liquid line. So once you have all of these parts, connect them together like this. Put the tailpiece in the beer nut and the washer inside. Then take the duplex coupler and tighten it in. Next, you'll take the tubing from the pump and put it over the tailpiece and tighten down the clamp. If you're using homebrew kegs, you'll need to put the ball lock to Sankey adapter on at this point. If you're using commercial kegs, this, as I stated previously, will already be on your lines. This will have your liquid line coming out of there, so you'll just attach this to that. So now I'm using homebrew keg, so I have to pull out the line from the kegerator, and I'm just going to put my disconnect on it like that. Now that I have everything connected and ready to go, you'll need to mix up some line cleaner. For the sake of this video, I already mixed it up. Just follow the directions on the bottle. This one actually uses a 1/2 ounce to every gallon. And then now all I have to do is put the pump into the solution, open up the tap, and this tends to leak a little bit, so I like to just put it over the pail, and then just kind of plug it in. And there it goes, it's cleaning my line. Sometimes if there's a lot of beer in the line, I'll run some fresh water through first before adding the line cleaner, and then I'll do the line cleaner. Now this line cleaner has a contact time of 5 minutes, so I'm going to let it run for 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. So my line cleaner has been running through for 5 minutes, and all I have to do at this point is unplug it and turn off the tap. Then I don't want to leave the line cleaner in there, so I do want to run some fresh water through it. So all I do is I have another pail full of fresh water, and just pick up the pump, let it drain out the line cleaner that's in there, put it in with the fresh water, plug it in again, plug it in the right way. And run about a gallon of fresh water through it. I don't plan on hooking up another keg right away, so after this I'm going to run some sanitizer through and leave that in the line. That's all it takes to do some easy peasy home kegerator line cleaning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe.